How you doing, everyone? Welcome back. We'll take a real quick look at Alchemy Pay, ACH, and see what's going on. So we are essentially just consolidating. The amber option has not played out. The red option, happily, has not played out. So we'll get rid of these. But also the green has slightly played out without a move. So what to look for now is essentially this still being on the table. We just need to move it along a little bit. I think more than likely when this thing does decide to break, it will break to the upside as opposed to the downside. So I'm going to turn that amber. I do think that we're going to come back and touch and ride along this trend line, this Fibonacci trend. And if you've not watched my recent Bitcoin video that I've just released, I do recommend you watch both of them. There is a short version and a longer deep dive over the last 12 months. Essentially, what's happening is Bitcoin is in a significant state where it has put itself into a channel, and I'll show you that very, very briefly now out on the daily. And essentially what's happening, get rid of that, what's happening with Bitcoin, we have found support at the 40,800 range, and we have been rejected at the 618 at 44,000. So we're in this consolidation pattern, and it's a very tight channel for Bitcoin to be in, and I think we'll all agree that Bitcoin does not like to consolidate in a sideways pattern. So we're going to see a break up or we're going to see a break down. And I think because we have this state of flux with Bitcoin, it is showing the state of flux with the altcoins. So until we see what Bitcoin is going to do, whether it's going to essentially shit the bed or pump a little higher, I don't think we're going to see momentous moves with the altcoins. And I think that that's been the case now for a period of a few days, while Bitcoin decides what it wants to do. Now, ACH does like to consolidate before it makes its move. The RSI is terribly low on the hour. We're down at sort of the 30 range, but it also looks like it's beginning to point upwards. So we may see a move up to the cloud at circa 5.7, but I don't think we're going to see anything significant. I could be very wrong. I hope to be. But I don't think we're going to see anything significant from ACH other than this type of pattern over the next day, where we should break for a weak spot in the cloud or have a downturn. I don't see that downturn being lower than 4.7 before we have a nice bounce upwards. That's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you want to see more content come out from the channel, we do have a new Patreon opened up, so any support you can offer will mean that I can spend more time focusing purely on altcoins and Bitcoin and have more regular updates coming out, and also have the time to conduct some live streams where we can watch what's going on with these tokens a much closer level. For YouTube, I do spend a lot of time focusing on these coins, but that's more for personal portfolio and one-to-one sessions. But the more support that comes through, the more I'll be able to spend on the wider audience. So please do check it out, have a look. If you feel that some of the content has been worthy of a pledge, I would greatly appreciate it, as would the team behind the scenes. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.